Kumusta po kayo, my dear teachers? Welcome to our session 2, Introduction to Education Research. We will talk about some common notions of teachers towards research as well as the legal basis in conducting research. Madalas, teachers are asking questions. Are we really mandated to conduct a research? Di ba for science teachers lang yan dapat yung gumagawa niyan, or master teacher, or kaya school head? Let's see. What are the legal basis in conducting research? Una po ay ang DepEd Order number 39 series of 2016, or the adoption of basic research agenda, which promote and strengthen the culture of research in basic education. Serves as guide to DepEd and its stakeholders in the conduct of education research, and that research results will be utilized in department planning, policy making, and program development aligned with its vision, mission, and core values. So the DepEd actions is evidence-based policies, plans, programs, projects, and activities. So we have the three key result areas: the access, the quality, and governance. So evidence-based means that the needs identified are supported by school community data or research or survey. And so that's the main reason why sa ating mga schools, we are frequently asked to provide data about the number of chairs, number of classrooms, number of teachers, and all other informations na hinihingi sa atin. Actually, those data are being used or being utilized in programs or in policy makings. So doon naka-base yung mga programs and projects ng DepEd. So kailangan kasi merong data, no, na magsasalita, ano? Kumbaga, the data will speak, no, that there is really a need, no, for that programs, projects, or activities. So kapag walang data, no, hindi yan basta-bastang mapupunduhan. So kaya even in our school level, we are encouraged to conduct research, no, para yung lahat ng actions natin ay nakabase sa mga evidence or sa data na ating makokolek mula sa ating school or sa ating station. Based on the DepEd Order number 39 series of 2016, or the adoption of basic education research agenda, there are 4 themes, basic themes in conducting research in our school or in DepEd. First is the teaching and learning, which responds to students and teachers' needs. Another theme is on the child protection, which protect the child against any form of bullying, discrimination, and abuse. The third one is the human resource development. So it addresses concerns of teaching and non-teaching staff, the welfare of employee, as well as the professional development. And the fourth one is the governance, which centers on the administration and stakeholders' engagement. For this, we have the cut-across themes. Itong mga cut-across themes na to, maaring it's a combination of these 4 themes. Ano itong mga to? First is, we can also conduct research in line with the Disaster Risk Reduction and Management, or DRRM, Gender and Development, and Inclusive Education. Another basis why teachers should engage in doing research and other research-related activities is that the PPST, or the Philippine Professional Standards for Teachers, requires us, no, to involve in this activity. As we can see in the domain 1 of the PPST, under the content, knowledge, and pedagogy, strand 1.2, research-based knowledge and principles of teaching and learning. 1.2.2, this indicator states that we as teachers should use research-based knowledge and principles of teaching and learning to enhance professional practice. Therefore, we as teachers should really engage in doing research. What else? DepEd Memo number 4, series of 2022, the PPST RPMS. Okay, so the indicator 2 is we need to use research-based knowledge and principles of teaching and learning to enhance professional practice. What is the MOVs? One lesson plan with annotations identifying the research-based knowledge and or principles of teaching and learning used as basis for planning and designing the lesson. So we cannot say that we don't need research because it is indicated in the PPST RPMS as one of the indicators of the PPST. Other related legal bases are the following. Basahin nyo na lang po or pwede nyo ring i-research ito. DO number 13, series of 2015, DO 43, series of 2015, DO 4, series of 2016, and DO 16, series of 2017. Ayan. Now, research and credit in promotion. Ito, gusto-gusto natin to. Ang research ba ay mayroong bearing sa promotion, sa ating professional growth or development? Now, in the implementation of the system of career progression for public school teacher, the reference is the MEC Order number 10, series of 1979. Item D, educational research is 12 points for researcher and 7 points for participants or participant. So makikita natin dito, once you are a researcher, automatic meron kang 12 points doon sa scoring system, kung ikaw ay magpapapromote. Especially, napaka-importante kung ikaw ay gustong magpapromote into a master teacher. Ayan. And ito, malaki pa din. 7 points for participant. Ano po ito? So, ikaw ay umattend ng mga training, seminars na related sa research. Related sa research. Laki pa din, 7 points. So, with all of this, makikita natin na ang research pala ay hindi lang para sa mga master teachers. All teachers are required by the DepEd to engage or to involve in research-related activities. Kung kaya, kahit dito sa ating masteral ay meron tayong subject on research. Kasi in the field, talagang ini-encourage ang bawat teacher to conduct an action research. That is to solve problems na ating na-encounter, day-to-day problems that we encounter inside the classroom. So, kakailanganin nating gawa ng research. So, with all of this, sana naintindihan ninyo na ang research talaga ay mandated sa atin as mga teachers, bilang mga teachers. And hopefully, mag-enjoy tayo sa ating pong journey in this subject. At sana, at the end of our subject, ay ma-appreciate natin ang kahalagahan ng research sa atin bilang mga teachers. Maraming salamat sa inyong panunood and may God bless us always.